Hey boos, welcome to another video on the Young Monarchs YouTube channel. If this is your first time joining, welcome. My name is Tiara. On this channel, we have everything personal growth, female empowerment with a little sprinkle of beauty. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for the Bible study books by the brand Sunday. So if you want to open this box with me, see what's included, learn all about it, stay tuned. And I also have a special announcement at the end of this video. I ordered the Bible study books in May. So many people were ordering them that I just got my books at the end of July. So this guy on the front of the box is named Windahl. He is the creator of, he runs the brand Sunday and is the creator of these Bible study books. And he's obviously took months for it to get here. He's helped thousands of people learn about the Bible and just make it a lot easier to read the Bible and start to build a better relationship with the Lord. So I'm gonna open our box and see what all is included because I've been waiting to do this. Okay, so when I open the box, it comes with this cute little box of freebies. So the first thing it comes with, okay, I'll start by saying the two books that came in this are $35 for both of the books. This is obviously free because I didn't order it. Alrighty. So these books are super cute. I kept seeing them all over YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and I had to get my hands on them. So there are two books. It's cute. This black cover and the white kind of marbly cover. And if you flip it over, then they have like the opposite coloring on them. So that's cool. So let's see what else comes in the box. I think this is like a little bracelet that says the Bible is good for you. Little string on it to tighten it up. And then there's another one. It says same thing. Bible is good for you. The little tight piece. So these are cute. And then it has, these are stickers. The best day of the week. Hopefully you can see that. And another sticker, the Bible is good for you. Also, I guess it comes with two different bookmarks. Bible is good for you. The best day of the week is Sunday. The Bible is good for you. So these are really cute little freebies that come in the box. Two bracelets, two stickers, and two bookmarks. I'm recording this video for the Young Monarchs channel because a major part of becoming who you're meant to be for me has to do a lot with spiritual growth and making sure that I feel like God orders all of our steps and already knows what we are meant to do when we're born. And it's just our job to build a relationship with Him and grow in that relationship to really be guided on the right path of what our job is here on the earth. So if you are still with me, you want to take a deeper dive into these books, make sure you comment a little butterfly down below if you're still with me. Definitely subscribe to the channel. The special announcement at the end is going to be a lot of fun things that's coming. Give this video a thumbs up and let's get into these books. So the two books, one book is for the Old Testament and one book is for the New Testament. And pretty much these books together are a year review and study of the Bible. So taking a look at the Old Testament. Ooh, it's really cute. So each chapter is broken out. I like it. Okay, so they have pretty much kind of like your acknowledgement, your introduction. Then we have pretty much what this book was made for, the layout, So at the beginning of the Old Testament book, it breaks out all of the books of the Old Testament, and it also tells you what books coordinate with what subject matter. Because in the Old Testament, there's historical books, prophetical books, and then wisdom chapters. So I feel like it's helpful to know when you're reading a different book, what is the purpose of this chapter? Is it to learn history? Is it to learn prophecy? Or is it just to personally grow in your own wisdom? So that's nice that they broke that out like that. And I would have never even known that unless I've been reading the book that I'm reading now. And then it gives you, each chapter has like this little introduction page. So this is for Genesis, and it gives you the author of the book, the date, who the audience was for the book, the reason, the theme, key verses, sections, and keywords of this chapter. Then it kind of goes into a quick little summary of what you're going to be learning in the chapter, what you're going to be doing. And then I love how it gives you like guiding questions, because a lot of Bible study books that I've had before are just like, they may ask you questions, but they're not super specific. And I kind of like how this says, what did God create and do each day? Something that is more like a study book, to where if you were being quizzed in school, this would be the perfect thing to use. Because like, first question, what did God do and create each day? There were 7 days of all things happening, so we can put in what happens each day. And this book will take 4 months. So the Old Testament is an 8-month study, and this book is a 4-month study. So I like that it kind of lays things out again, and it takes the chapters of the New Testament and breaks them up in that same, are these like Hebrew Christian epistles, revelations, are these gospels, acts? What are the books of the Old Testament considered? Like in the Old Testament, how it was history, prophecy, and wisdom, they broke these out in the same way. Not only say that you've read the Bible, but to actually know what's going on, and even like where things are taking place with this like cute little map. So I do like these things, because for me, I've started reading the Bible, and there's so many words I can't pronounce, things I don't know, and it just kind of becomes very overwhelming, to where it's like, I'll just use my little apps and read that. But with this, it gives you like a real deep dive into the reasons of each chapter, what you're supposed to learn, key words, and things to just look for before you even get started reading. And I really appreciate that in any type of study book. And like I said, these pictures are really cute. Let's see. Let me find some other cute pictures. Let's see. This is a really cute study book that just has like a nice picture to look at next to, you know, a final thought of this chapter, to where you have all the space to write in your book. These pages are very thick, so I like to use colorful, like fine-tooth Sharpie pens when I write, so there will be like absolutely no bleeding. These pages are super thick. I just love how it looks on the inside, and I'm really excited to read these. Now it's time for my special announcement. My personal growth weighs heavily in my like faith and my spiritual development, like I said earlier, because I genuinely feel to become who I'm meant to be able to get through highs and lows and ups and downs. Like, I cannot do those things on my own. So having a relationship with God and just understanding really what he has for me, and being able to read messages and things that he's left, things that may come to my mind and be on my heart, it's important for me to have a set foundation to be able to genuinely do what I was meant to do. So with these Bible study books, because it is a year's time, like I said, the Old Testament being 8 months and the New Testament being 4 months, I'm going to be doing like a Bible study series kind of. Every 2 weeks, I'm going to be pretty much breaking down each chapter of the Bible from me using these Bible study books. So if you're still a little skeptical about ordering the Bible study books, you want to learn, maybe you want to see how it goes for other people, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and you can even leave a little praying hands down below if you want me to do these videos. It'll keep me on track, and it'll also help you guys who are thinking about purchasing these books or just diving deeper into the Bible yourself. You can check out those videos that'll be coming in 2 weeks, and you can just kind of take this journey with me. But like I said, I'm super excited to dive into these books. If you're still here and made it to the end of the video, be sure to drop a butterfly emoji down below, subscribe to our channel, and like this video if you want to. Stay tuned for thank you guys for watching. I'm hoping this video was super helpful to somebody thinking about purchasing these books. I definitely think you should. And thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on my next video.